My name is Malcolm Messina. I'm the owner and president of MWM Reefer Van Corporation.
Hi, I'm Janet Corpus and I am the owner of AJ Seco Trading.
Hi, I'm Hannah Soto, the General Manager and Co-Founder of AB Soto Tracking Services.
My name is Mark Brian Gonzalez, currently the General Manager of Trade Hive Corporation. We've been using BPI SCF for almost 2 years now, since 2024. One of my clients, parang nag-conduct sila ng free seminar about BPI Supply Chain Finance Platform. So, lahat kami parang, wow! Maganda yung magiging tulong sa atin ito. Kasi as a contractor, number 1 talaga namin problema is cash flow.
Sa ibang tracker, ang problema kapag merong delay sa pondo, ang mangyari nila is they will neglect part of their operations. Halimbawa, hindi na nila i-repair yung truck kapag nasira. O kaya yung sweldo ng tao, i-delay nila. Kapag may ganong nangyari, magkaroon ng snowball effect yan. Kasi hindi ma-repair ang truck, hindi nila masaserve yung client. At di masaserve yung client, lalo wala silang cash flow. So they will get into a downward spiral.
When we first heard about the BPI Supply Chain Finance Program, sabi ko baka ito na yung tutulong sa atin. We are in the company that gave us the payout na 120 days billing. Very stressful kasi sa logistic, tuloy-tuloy yung gastos. So fuels, maintenance, salaries, yung inflow and outflow, hindi talaga siya nagtatagpo.
In logistics business, if you do not have money, you will not have fuel. Before, when we have 120 days payment term with our partner companies, ang bigat, ang daming opportunities, gusto mong mag-grow, gusto mong mag-add ng units, but you cannot do it because tied up ka sa payment. You will wait for 120 days para makasingil.
Actually, before, I have a credit line with the bank. So I was always using the bank. But I was enrolled in the SCF platform. Nag-attend ako ng briefing from the BPI team, and there was one thing na na-convince ako, yung maganda doon is yung interest rate doon sa BPI SCF is only for the duration na kailangan mo yung pondo. So basically, yung concept ng BPI SCF is i-advance mo yung accounts receivable mo eh. So ang babayaran mo lang na interest is only for the duration na in-advance mo. So ang laking savings sa interest.
When my partner company introduced me to BPI SCF program, I decided to use it immediately. Kasi imagine from 120 days, makakasingil ka na in a span of 2 weeks at the most convenient rate. Ang ganda ng naging impact sa company namin kasi lahat ng demands ng partner companies namin, nabibigay namin. If they ask us to add more units, we can do it now. Kung pwedeng i-cater ang area na to, we can always do it now kasi we have enough financial support. Malaking tulong talaga si BPI SCF.
Ever since we use BPI SCF, we're able to manage our cash flow well. We're able to save for our operational expenses. Now we were looking forward to buy another unit for our expansion.
Ang pinaka natulong sa akin ng BPI SCF is nakatanggap ako ng mas maraming project since nakakatapos ako ng deadline. Kung ayaw nyo ma-stress araw-araw or weekly sa payroll, bayad sa suppliers and subcontractors, I definitely recommend BPI SCF.
To the other business owners, I highly recommend BPI Supply Chain Finance Platform because it gives you the competitive edge.
I highly recommend using BPI Supply Chain Finance Platform, especially to those businesses who have long-term payment cycle. It's very easy, simple, convenient, and reliable.
Sa mga kapwa ko business owners, itry natin ito. If gusto nyong mag-focus lang sa business nyo without worrying more on financials, just focus on your deliverables. Try it kasi in here, you can do more, believe more, and dream more.